YouTube that I really love this video. His name is Michael. There is what we call consistent profitability, and there is what we call periodic profitability, right? Now, a lot of traders want to get to that point whereby they are consistently profitable. Hello guys, what is good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this series of my YouTube channel. So quickly, the time now is, today is Monday by the way, and the time now is 11:54. Yeah, so it's a new week. So guys, I'll be updating you about the trades I'll be placing this week and every other thing regarding being a swing trader in Nigeria. All right, so guys, join me as I mop my room. Okay, so let me quickly clean this place. All right, so guys, you must understand that as a trader, right, there is what we call consistent profitability, and there is what we call periodic profitability, right? Now, a lot of traders want to get to that point whereby they are consistently profitable. I don't know if you guys can see me clearly and hear me clearly because the mic, I hang it on my ear. So guys, I'm the one that started this mic hanging on ear. I'm the first person that did it, so I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. So anybody that copy me is copyright, okay? So there's what we call consistent profitability and periodic profitability. And listen, even if you are periodically profitable, like you are profitable today, the next day your system does not work, the next day you are profitable, the next day, see, listen, it is progress. You are making progress. Do not let anybody deceive you. If you can turn a $10 account to $11, you are a profitable trader. If you can turn $1,000 to $1,100, you are a profitable trader. And you must understand that growth don't just happen once, it happens step by step, right? First off, you are a losing trader. The next thing, you stop losing and then you become break even, and the next thing, you will become periodically profitable, and the next thing, you are consistently profitable. And funny enough, that's how I became profitable, right? And the funny thing is that I didn't know all this after I became profitable, right? First off, I was losing money, then I decided to get mentorship. From there, I transitioned from losing money, I stopped losing money, right? I was then breaking even, like sometimes I don't even make any money at all, but I wasn't losing money as before again. From there, I became periodically profitable. Sometimes I'm profitable, sometimes I am not. I'll be break even, sometimes I'm profitable. But since I keep on collecting data and looking at my information, trying to like build my trading skill, I became consistently profitable, right? And I see a lot of traders that are on their journey, right, to becoming profitable as a trader. And when I tell them that, oh, I'm a profitable trader, they'll be like, oh, why don't you have a Lambo? Why don't you have a mansion that you are living in? The thing is that you guys don't understand what it means to be profitable. A profitable trader isn't a rich trader, isn't a wealthy trader. Do you understand? So the forex market is something that, oh, you need capital. I personally am building myself, right? I'm building my capital. I'm not where I used to be when I started trading around 2021, and I have made so much progress, right? So guys, enough of the talking. I'll update you guys about the trade I'm watching or later this day. Let me warm up my room. Hello guys, what is good? The time now is 8:30 p.m. and it is already Tuesday, which is the 10th of June, right? So it's like evening already and I'm about to sleep. So before I sleep, I want to do my meditation and just reflect. It's good to do meditations as traders, right? Meditation mood. Hello, so guys, the way I meditate is kind of different from the way others might meditate. So you might meditate crossing your leg, probably sitting on a chair or on the bed. So me, I'm just sitting down on my chair, right? I'm not crossing my leg. I just want to close my eyes and focus, right? So that's the way I meditate, right? So I'm just starting it now. The way I meditate before was to cross my line. I feel like that was uncomfortable for me, and it was causing a lot of distraction for me. So this method, I just want to try it. Sit down and just focus on my breath. Meditation doesn't mean you must focus on your breath. You can focus on any other thing, but just be focused on one particular thing. Okay, so let me start. Hello guys, what is good? Good morning. So guys, it is Wednesday already. I said I was going to update you guys about the whole trading and everything. Currently, I'm watching my trade. Let me quickly show you guys. Alright, so guys, good morning. I'm currently watching this EURAUD by the way, and this is like the pair I'm currently watching. So, and also, so guys, there's something I'll be doing, right? So this is the trade. This is the 2 hours time frame. So although I'm seeing this stuff late, I'm seeing this trade late, so I'm not in the trade yet. Do you understand? I'm not in the trade yet. It's something I'm just watching. So this is it. So I'm not yet in the trade. So probably I would have entered around somewhere here. And around somewhere, the point I would have entered from is about 2 a.m. So around 2 a.m. I was sleeping already. So this is the trade and this is how it's playing out. So if I have entered, I would have been in profit by now, right? And also guys, there is something I want to update you guys about, right? There's this guy I saw on YouTube that I really love this video. His name is Michael. I've forgotten the guy's complete name. So his name is Michael, and there's something to talk about. He talked about a lot of things, and talked about how trading has helped him master his self. So you must understand that trading is a tool that is not just trading is not just about making money, right? Although we all want to make money, but it is only those that are disciplined enough that tends to make money, right? And that is why I'm going on this 90 days challenge, right? Of completely no social media. I'm just going ghost, right? I'm locking in this season. So there's this routine I normally do follow. I have a routine I follow, but like I have some starts of good habits. I wrote them yesterday. These are like this is day one, right? I woke up early today, so 4 a.m. I have not journaled, I have not read, I have not exercised, I have not. Okay, the plan is usually in the night, and I have not prayer is in the night, and this 11 p.m. means I have to sleep by 11, and the last one is meditation, right? So I'm going to be doing these six things every single day, and also trying to like improve my trading as well, because I know there's a lot of things I need to improve in my trading, right? Long-term results over instant gratification. And for those of you that are like swing traders, you will notice that the market have been slow these days. So there have really not been any move yet. So I'm trying to like watch the market. I'm trying to like watch, journal, and see what have been happening in the market, right? You know, most of these big investors around June is the time they go for holidays. So there's really no that liquidity based on the way I understand how trading works, right? So times like this is when a lot of people are withdrawing their profit. And do you understand? The first quarter, this is like the second quarter, right? So a lot of persons are withdrawing their profit from trading. You get now. So is this mic still working? All right, stay. So a lot of people are withdrawing their profit from trading because this is like the ending of the second quarter, right? There are 4 quarters in trading. The first, which is January, February, and March, and the second, which is April, May, and June, right? So June is like the second quarter, and you can see the way the market is moving, right? So what will happen is that any trade I'm watching, I'll be updating you guys on the trade as well.
Tell them go move this to country place.
Nah. All right, so guys, I just finished exercising. So the first task for today is done. Let me mark this exercise. Yeah, I just marked it. So the next is journal, read. So I woke up early today at 4 a.m. although I was still on my bed. I'll update you guys about the other task. Alright, so guys, this is the AUD trade I said earlier, although I was unable to enter this trade. So this one is regarded as a missed trade, right? So this is the 4 hours time frame. My strategy is very simple. I do my top down analysis, understand what is going on in the market, that's the structure, right? So I already understand what's going on already. So what I do is that the immediate trend of this market was a downtrend, right? And next thing is about turning to an uptrend. So if it breaks this level now, I'll be like, okay, we are from here to here to trade. But it won't just get to this point. It won't just from this point now, just get to here. Right? There are other levels it will have to break down. When I will get to this level and start rejecting to the downside, right? And give me another good entry to buy again. But I'm focused more on buying on EURAUD, this EURAUD. So I didn't take it on the prop account and even on my live account, right? Because I missed that. Yeah, this one is I missed that, right? It wasn't anything regarding psychology. If I had seen it earlier, I saw the stuff around here, right? I had set the market, like I have said that, if the market breaks here, I'm going to buy. But around this point, the break above it, that's when I see it. So this weak candle, because there's a small candle, I don't know if you guys can see it clearly. That's where I would have entered the trade, but the trade, I expect that it continue going up. If it breaks this level, if I had entered the trade, I'll break even my trade, right? So around this level, I'll be expecting a drop to the downside. So if it was a 1-to-1 like this now, it has given a 1-to-1 already. So 1 to 1.1. So this is a good trade. Alright, so what is good, guys? Quickly update on that EURAUD trade. It has almost hit full TP. Let me just show you guys. Alright, so this is the trade. Still on EURAUD. Yeah, this is the trade, right? So you see how swing trading is, right? We don't place too much trade. Do you understand? If it is just, let's say, if I are taking this trade, right? You see that spike that just happened towards the downside now. So if I are taking this trade, right? This is it. I'm done for this week. Do you understand? If I was risking probably for the proprietary firm account that I'm trading, which is a $50,000 from FTMO, right? Alright, so sorry about that. I'll put a screenshot somewhere here. This is the account. I'm still trading the account, right? And hopefully, let's see how this month is going to go for the account, right? So this is the only trade I would have taken this week, right? And I missed it. I didn't take the trade because I wasn't paying attention on the chart, right? So one problem I need to start working on is discipline. I know the reason for this is because I've taken losses, about 2 losses or 3 losses now in the past, that because of those losses I've not been really that focused on the account. So I'll update you guys about any trading activities this week again. This is already Wednesday. The week is almost over, right? The time currently is 10 p.m. So I'm about to rest now. So guys, I'll update you guys if there's any update. Bye. Thursday right now, and the time now is 10 p.m. So nothing much happened today. I didn't place any other trade apart from that EURAUD trade I showed you guys before, right? And my FTMO account balance is still sitting at the same account balance. Some people will be like, oh, you don't know how to trade, you don't, why aren't you placing a lot of trades? You know, worry, time will tell. Okay, the reason why most of you don't understand, most of you are not profitable, is because you guys think that the more trade you place, the more money you make. But actually in Forex, less is more, right? I'm not just saying this because, oh, I watched one YouTube video and someone said it. It's because I have experienced it before, right? And I know what it means to be profitable as a trader. Do you understand? So guys, I'm still trading the account, and I'll update you guys about the account. This might probably, I might pop the account balance here on my screen. I've not placed any trade yet. The last few trades I placed were losses, and yeah, so any trade I place, I risk $500. Probably I might decide to increase the risk. If I wanted to pass the account very fast, I might have increased the risk to the account size I'm trading. First off, is $50,000 proprietary firm account with FTMO, right? So if I'm risking 1% of that account, it means that I'm risking 1% to get 2% most of the times, right? So if I raise $500, it is to get $1,000, right? So any trade I place like this, it is to get $1,000 with $500. So if I decide to start risking 2%, which is $1,000, it is to get $2,000. So in like 3 winning trades, which is quite realistic, right? I would have even passed the account. But same thing, if I start risking $1,000, I only have like 5 losing trades to lose the account. So because of this understanding, that's why I'm trying to like make my risk low as possible, which is 1% is a medium risk. So the reason I'm not taking 0.5% is because, bro, it will take me eternity to pass the account if I'm using 0.5%, right? So guys, I'll update you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.